In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart time in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to using Hubstaff or you're just looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can efficiently and accurately manage your time entries. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to launch your Hubstaff desktop app. If you haven't already installed the app, make sure to download it from the official Hubstaff website and log in with your credentials. Launching the app is your entry point, allowing you to access your dashboard where all time-related actions take place. Once you're in, it's time to start the timer. On your Hubstaff app or via the website interface, you'll easily spot the Start button. Think of this as your signal to the system that you're beginning a new task or project. Clicking this button officially logs your time, tracking your work duration in real time. This is particularly useful for ensuring that each second you spend on a task is accounted for and can be reviewed later. After a few moments, or when you feel the need to make adjustments, perhaps if you've made an error or need to switch tasks, you'll want to stop the timer. Simply click the Stop button, halting the time tracking. Stopping the timer doesn't delete your previous time entries, but freezes the current session, ready for you to either analyze or adjust as you require. It's an opportunity to ensure everything is precise and to eliminate any mistakes you might have made timing your work. Next, to effectively restart your activity, you'll need to start the timer once more. This action signifies a fresh time entry that will automatically reset the displayed time back to 0:00. This is like starting a stopwatch from scratch and is essential in recording each work segment accurately. Restarting the timer is particularly useful if you've stopped it for significant breaks or concluded one part of your project and are moving to another. Remember, managing your time effectively is crucial in maintaining productivity and ensuring accurate billing if you're using Hubstaff for client work. Whenever you need to make corrections or if you've realized a timing mistake, you can manually edit your time entries on the timesheet for the most precision. That's it. You're all set to aptly restart your time in Hubstaff. By stopping and starting your timer as needed, you'll gain full control over how your work hours are logged. We hope this guide has been helpful, and with these steps under your belt, you'll be able to maintain an accurate reflection of your work efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy time